Do whitening my teeth harm my teeth? Today, an attractive, white smile is a mark of good oral hygiene as well as aesthetics. This is why a lot of individuals opt for teeth whitening methods to get that flawless smile. But there's an unspoken concern regarding whether whitening their teeth could cause damage to the teeth. In this short video, we'll explore the possible risks and advantages of treatments for whitening teeth and offer suggestions on ways to achieve an even more radiant smile. Whitening teeth is a cosmetic process that involves the application of bleaching agents on the teeth in order to eliminate staining and discoloration. The most popular method of teeth whitening are in-office procedures carried out by dentists. However, there are other options available over the counter that are available, including trays, strips of whitening, and toothpaste. A potential risk that could be that is associated with whitening your teeth could be sensitive teeth. Certain people may feel more sensitization to cold and hot temperatures following the whitening procedure. The reason for this is that the bleaching chemicals used in the whitening process may temporarily weaken the enamel of the teeth. This makes the teeth more sensitive too. But the sensitivity typically temporary and disappears after the procedure is complete. A different risk that could be posed by teeth whitening could be gum irritation. The bleaching chemicals used in the whitening process can cause irritation to gums when they are in contact with the gums. It can cause swelling, redness, and discomfort. You must adhere to the directions given by your dentist or producer of the product in order to reduce the chance of irritation to your gums. In certain instances, the use of products for whitening teeth can cause enamel to deteriorate. The enamel is the outermost layer of teeth, which protects teeth from decay and damage. When the enamel gets thinner or wears down, it could expose the layers beneath the teeth, resulting in the teeth becoming sensitive and a higher risk of developing cavities. It is essential to apply the products to whiten teeth in moderation and to not go over the suggested use guidelines. However, despite these risks, teeth whitening is an effective and safe method to enhance the look and appearance of your smile. It is important to choose reliable whitening products and adhere to the directions given by your dentist or by the company that makes it. It is also essential to follow proper oral hygiene habits, including brushing regularly and flossing, which will ensure your teeth are protected and gums. If you're considering bleaching, you should talk with your dentist before making any decisions. They will assess your oral condition and decide whether you're a suitable candidate for treatment with whitening. The dentist also offers professional options for whitening which are adapted to meet your specific needs. This will help reduce the chance of negative side adverse effects. Teeth whitening is an effective and safe method to have a more attractive smile. However, it's crucial to know the risks that could be associated to the procedure. If you follow the guidelines in this video and talking to your dentist, you will be able to improve the look of your smile while maintaining your oral health in good shape. Keep in mind that a gorgeous smile begins by having good dental health.